birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ryan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday to you. May you find Jesus in every day of the year. Oh, happy birthday.
I can fix it. That's what he does. I can fix it. And then he goes, I'm gonna wreck it. Put that back on your head.
Not gonna do any good if he doesn't hold it.
Oh. The welcoming committee. Lise. Lise. Wait a second. Where is she? There she is. Everybody walking. That balloon barely fit in the freaking car. Oh my goodness.
You missed her face.
Let me see. I realize now that it looks like you died. I'm sorry. I didn't mean. I should have done it there, but I meant to. You know, I just didn't have an eraser.
Birthday, so. Not late, Elise. Elise died. Sorry, everybody.
I died. Oh.
Apparently, you're dead.
Peace.
Can someone open the fridge for this? Oh, you died. Thank you.
Mommy's crying already.
Here's my baby. My baby's graduating.
Mom's crying.
Oh, baby.
Aww.
My baby's graduating.
Take a breath.
Bigger and better things.
Take a breath.
At one point in ours, yep, he was back. He was golfing though. He was golfing.
Where is it?
He was golfing out. Yep. Oh, guys,
somebody brought one. Oh, good. Save it from the teachers. They popped it at ours.
Caitlin Marie Pelton.
Woo!
Oh, geez. I'm next to someone who knows all these people.
No, that's totally. Again, that was funny. Is that what you're gonna do if you
portal.
Put them up your nose.
Using that straw. This is Dad, 50 years old.
50 today.
Have a happy birthday from the Dungeon King. Woo!
Yay!
You do have
know
a
it.
song.
Yeah, but usually nobody will do it when we were slow because nobody can sing. So, so we're dead.
So it was a chant, right?
So we said, yeah, we can do it.
Yeah, well, you got the cool workers today, luckily.
I know I can't.
Hey, Ryan.
Okay. Ready?
Did you read it?
Read it.
Read it.
How does one celebrate the birthday of a brother who is as classy as you?
As messy.
Why with
Classy.
classical music, of course?
We were just talking about farts outside.
Performed by the world famous New York Fart Hammer.
You gotta let Noah see that.
Hey, babies. Where'd I get it? Where'd they go? They're not gonna eat grass, Donnie. They eat that already.
Skies are blue.
Balloon.
Wonder where I got this balloon. And so do you.
Stop it.
Up upon a mountain high. I wish I knew the words so I will not cry. A star. Oh no, it's over the rainbow. Over the rainbow. Rachel needs to stop doing that with her camera.
Not me. That's been there.
No, it hasn't.
Yes, it is.
He really, 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 really loves me. Yes, he loves me.
What are you doing?
He loves me. He always loves me. The Bible loves me. Oh, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Come on, everybody. This little light of mine, I can let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine till Jesus comes. I can let it shine. Let it see. Let it shine. Let it shine.
Boo!
I like to see you do better.
Boo! Oh, goodness. I didn't get a chance!
The liars, they go to bad place.
I did not get a chance.
Better not be lying.
I didn't.
Because they go to a very, did I tell you, they go to a very,
I literally
very
did not
bad place. Jesus loves me, this I know. For the Bible tells me so. Little ones to him be.
Why is this keep
They are weak, but my daddy is strong. Don't dare tape this. So let's go inside. Don't take it out. You wish you were dead. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out. Removed it. I removed it. Too late.
Do the cricket one again.
Don't you dare.